Hi, welcome to my mathematics class. It's a pleasure doing this problem which has come in the JEE examination. Here you see that there are three complex numbers which lie on a circle. Here I have drawn here, which lie on a circle with origin as the center. And know that this is an Argand diagram, and x-axis is your real axis and y-axis is your imaginary axis, and that it is given that this z1, z2, z3, they lie on the circumference of the circle, and therefore you see that this O of z1, that is the length of O z1, is the radius of the circle. And so let I will put here, let modulus of z1 be equal to modulus of z2 be equal to modulus of z3 be equal to RC, in the sense that here modulus of z1 means if it is the origin, this represents a circle. This is nothing but if you take any point as x plus iy, it's a complex number, then modulus of z1 will be square root of this, square root of x squared plus y squared, that is equal to your r, or x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. That is nothing but a circle with origin as center, with origin as center and radius equal to your r. So this is our understanding. First, the basic understanding about this problem. Then it is given that z1 plus z2, z3, z2 plus z1, 2, 1, 3 plus z3 plus z1, z2 all belong to set of real numbers, in the sense that z1, z2, z3 are complex numbers, whereas z1 plus z2, z3 or z2 plus z1, z3 or z3, z1, z2, they are all real numbers. Now I'll write something here. Now I'll take any one, z1 plus z2, z3, this is a real number. I will take the conjugate, z1, z2, z3 conjugate. Know that this is a real number, but still I take this, and you see that the laws of the complex numbers, it tells me that this can be written as z1 bar, conjugate of that, conjugate of this, and conjugate of this. So when you take the conjugate of this, see z1 z conjugate will be equal to z1 conjugate and z2 conjugate. So this is a law of complex numbers, how you take the conjugate. So you see that this is z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate and z3 conjugate. So you can write this as, I will write this as z1 conjugate divided by z1. I multiply it by z1 and divide it by z1. Likewise, I do this z2 conjugate, z3 conjugate divided by z2, z3. So this is what I will write here. So you see that I multiply and divide it by z2, z3 and here by z1. So you get this to be, now so you see that this is nothing but z1 square divided by z1 plus it is z2 modulus of that square and z3 modulus of that square divided by z2, z3. Now this is nothing but what? Your modulus of z1. Modulus of z1 is equal to r square. So it is r squared by z1 plus this is r modulus of z2 squared is r squared, and this is also r squared. So you will get r to the power of 4 divided by z2, z3. So this relation you get. Now this can be written as, take the LCM of this. So what is that you will get? R squared z2 z3 minus r to the power plus r to the power of 4 z1 divided by Z1, Z2, Z3. So this can be written as R squared can be taken outside, R squared into Z2, Z3 plus R squared Z1, see, is divided by Z1. I'll put it like this, you just see that. This is what. So what is that you get here? So this is what you get for this. Z1 plus Z2, Z3. So Z1 plus Z2, Z3 will be equal to R squared into Z2, Z3 plus R squared Z1 divided by, what is that you get? It is Z1, Z2, Z3. So from this I can write, so therefore I'll write here. So I'll write here. See, these things are not required. So I will rub it off. So this implies I'll retain this R squared by Z1, Z2, Z3. You do this, see, bring it here. It is Z1 plus Z2, Z3 divided by R squared Z1 plus Z2, Z3. So you see that we are getting a relation. By doing all simplifications, I am able to get this result by taking this. By taking Z1 plus Z2, Z3. Likewise, if you take this, you will get a similar relation. R squared by Z1, Z2, Z3 is equal to something. If you take this, then also you will get R squared divided by Z1, Z2, Z3, something like this. That means this will also be equal to, so this will also be equal to your cyclic order. You write, this is in the cyclic form you can write. So what is that you will write here? Next is Z2 plus Z1, Z3 divided by R squared Z2 plus Z1, Z3. And this is also equal to, this is also equal to 1, 2, 3 plus Z1, Z2 divided by R squared Z3 plus Z1, Z2. So this one. So this is the relation that I get. So from this relation, so if I get like this, see, I can do this. That is, this is equal to this. I will write it here. Better, I will put it in the form. I will put it in this form. I will put it like this. So this is equal to Z2 plus Z3, Z1 R squared Z2 plus Z3, Z1 Z3 plus Z1, Z2 R squared Z3 plus Z1, Z2. Now I'll take this first. Now you see that I'll take this first. Now you see that here this is of the form A by B is equal to C by D. So this is nothing but what? If A by B is equal to C by D, then this can be nothing but A minus C divided by B minus D. Using the laws of algebra, I can write A by B is equal to C by D means what? A minus C divided by B minus D. So you see that what is that you will get here? Z1 plus Z2 Z3 minus Z2 plus Z3 Z1 divided by R squared Z1 plus Z2 Z3 minus, it is R squared Z2 plus Z3 Z1. So this is equal to, you open the bracket here, Z1 minus Z2 plus Z3. If you take this Z3, it is Z2 minus Z1 divided by, you take this here, R squared, it is Z1 minus Z2. Then you see that plus, here 2, 3, 3 is common. So 3 Z1 minus Z1. So what is that I will write here? So this can be written as it is Z1 minus Z2 minus Z3 into Z1 minus Z2. I take this minus sign outside. So you will get R squared into Z1 minus Z2 minus Z3 into Z1 minus Z2. Now you see that you take this Z1 minus Z2 common. So what is that you will get? Z1 minus Z2 into 1 minus Z3 divided by, you take this R squared, see you will take this Z1 minus Z2, then it is R squared minus Z3. So these two will get cancelled, and you see that what that you will get here is that, so you will get for this, so your result will be, so what is that you will get here? R squared divided by Z1, Z3, Z3 is equal to 1 minus, see you can 1 minus Z3, 1 minus Z3 divided by R squared minus Z3. So this is what you will get the result. If you use these two, what is that you will get here? 1 minus, you will get it as, see you are getting here 1 minus Z1 divided by this. That is, when you use these two results, you will get another a relation of this form. When you use these two ratios, you will get another one. So similarly we can find, I will write here, similarly we can find, similarly we can get, similarly what is that you can get here? So similarly you can get R squared by Z1, Z2, Z3 is equal to 1 minus Z2 divided by R squared minus Z is equal to 1 minus Z1 divided by R squared minus Z1, and this is also equal to, so we have got 1 minus Z3 divided by R squared minus Z3. So we have got a relation like this, we are able to get. Now you take these two results, so what is that you will get here? So R squared divided by Z1, you take these two, so what is that you will get here? So you take this relation, 1 minus Z2 divided by R squared minus Z2, you take this relation, so this is equal to 1 minus Z1 divided by R squared minus Z1, this is equal to 1 minus Z2 minus of 1 minus Z1 divided by R squared minus Z2 minus R squared minus Z1. So what is that you will get here now? So this will be equal to, so this will be equal to, it is, if you take this outside, it will be Z1 minus Z2 divided by, you take this 1 and minus 1 will go off, here minus Z2 plus Z1, so here you will get what? Minus Z1 minus Z2. So this R squared and R squared will go off, giving you what? 1. So you see that you will get 1 minus this for this. If you take these two, it is equal to 1. If you take this, this is also equal to 1. So applying that laws of ratios, that is A by B is equal to B, C by D means what? It is equal to A minus B. See, this is all equal to A minus B divided by A by B is equal to C by A minus C divided by B. I told you A by B is equal to C by D means what? This is also equal to A minus D divided by B minus. So this minus this minus this, you find. Then this minus this minus this. Again this minus this. So you see that by equating this, you are able to get all ratios to be what? Equal to 1. So you see this is equal to 1. Similarly, I will write here. Similarly, I will write here. Similarly, what is that you will get? Similarly, we will get. Similarly, we can get 1 minus Z1 divided by R squared minus Z1 is equal to 1 minus Z3 divided by R squared Z minus 3, as equal to 1. And for the other also, so everything will be equal to what? 1. So what is that you will get here? Therefore I'll write here. So this implies this is equal to 1, this ratio is equal to 1, this ratio is equal to 1, this here. So I can write this as 1 minus Z2 divided by R squared minus Z2 is equal to 1. So this implies, or 1 minus Z1 divided by R squared minus Z1 is equal to 1, or 1 minus Z3 divided by R squared minus Z3 is also equal to 1. So what is that? This implies that what? 1 minus Z2 is equal to R squared minus Z2. So minus Z2 and plus 2 Z2. Here minus Z2 on both sides will go up, giving you what? R squared is equal to 1. So you see that you are getting the value of this. So what is that you get? By doing simplification, I am able to get the value of this what? R squared to be 1. So what is that you get? So what is that you get here? So all these ratios are equal to 1. All these ratios are equal to 1. Therefore, what is that you get? Therefore, so I will get here. So what is that I told you? Take these two, you will get the relation to be what? Take these two and use that A by B is equal to C by D means what? It is also equal to A minus B divided by A minus C divided by B minus D. So you see that using that laws of ratios, you see that you are able to get the value to be 1. So each value, this is also equal to 1, this ratio is equal to 1, this ratio is equal to 1, this ratio is also equal to 1, and therefore your R squared divided by Z1, Z2, Z3 is equal to 1. So it is equal to 1. So R squared is equal to 1. So what is the value of R squared now? We have got the value of, so this is equal to 1 and this R squared also has been got to be 1. So what is that you get? 1 divided by Z1, Z2, Z3 is equal to 1. This proves that Z1, Z2, Z3 is equal to, cross multiply, from this you get Z1, Z2 is equal to 1. So what is the answer now? So this is your answer. So see, more problems will come in my mathematics class. Thank you.